तुम्ही सरळ राजाभाऊ रिंगळ घेऊन
तुमच्या थोडं डाव्या साईडला सारखा माझा आवाजाची दिशा कुठे आहे बघा.
चला इकडे इकडे
डायनोसरला पुढे बस आहे ऑडी गिफ्ट तुम्हाला
गाडी दिली तुम्हाला.
ओके गुड. या रिंग घेऊन थोडं पुढे चला. तिकडे आपण एक ग्रुप फोटो काढू आणि हे काय झालं ते तुम्हाला सांगतो. मी तुमची टोपी घ्या. गुड. ऑल द टीम मेंबर्स मे रिक्वेस्ट यू. राजेश काय रिंग
उजेडावाले
पुढे या. पुढे या. रिंग घेऊन तुमच्या रिंग घेऊन पुढे या. ओके हा ओके. It is job well done simply because consider making one ring as a departmental task. So that particular team was helping their people to make that ring, so it was made. But then it took some time. Why? Because other departments were not ready. So having these 4 rings entwined is organizational task. So eventually at the end of day we don't work just to complete departmental tasks. We work as a part of big organization. And if what we do, if it is not connected with organizational task or big picture, there is always going to be a chaos. Alright? So this is job well done. Now 3 types of people they were there. And I would want Sandeep. Okay, just see to it that he's coming. Sandeep will take care of this debrief. It will take 10 minutes. We'll make you sit. The people who are mute, the people who are coordinator, and the people who did the job, those who are blindfolded. All right. So pictures taken. Yeah. Good.